Y'all two make me sick. Delano, you will always be a bitch. Next to Rain, you will always be my bitch. But this the thing here. Y'all two been fighting for years, man. Can we all just get along? Check this out. This is what we go do to fix this here little pride. We're gonna have a rap battle. Since I'm the best rapper in the state, whoever win, you win. Whoever lose, get shot. Don't play with me, man. You will get busted. I got my water gun this time. Water not in here. I pissed in it. Begin the show, nigga. The line of you weak with a little ding-a-ling. Banana got a long dick like a limousine. No high deal, a nigga with the little ass bitch. Back of your head smell like burnt grease. You a bitch, your feet 2-6 on Lilo and Stitch looking ass. Your nutsack smell like cooked grass. Your elbow smell like meat. Pass me the watch till you talking too sorry, nigga. You don't want this with the nectarine. Pussy so wet like Irish Spring. I'm cross-eyed, but that's my thing. Front of your teeth smell like propane. Before you met me, nigga, you was a lame. Tryna add brand new, now you tryna go change. Fuck you, nigga, with the little deal. Pick up old fish hook dick like a candy cane. Yo.
Hey girl, right there, why your booty look stank? Why the back of your neck smell like a bad drink? Open your mouth, smell like wet paint. Forehead wide like an armor chain, like nothing. You ain't scared nothing. Girl, you out of style like an easy bake up. Ride your nose like a half-baked muffin. You got a mustache like David Russell. Look at this bitch right here trying to rap. Smelling like biscuits and no jock strap. Bitch on B-low, coming on the mouth saying, oh, you look sleepy. Take you a nap. What's going on? Tell me what the hell. Lips so crusty, you need lip chap. Don't you ever try to
battle me again, you stupid, stupid.
What's going on? Tell me what the hell. Lips so crusty, you need lip chap. Don't you ever try to battle me again, you stupid, stupid, stupid bitch.
And the winner is I won. It was me. I won. Me, bitch. I won. The line of you weak with a little ding-a-ling. Banana got a long dick like a limousine. No high deal, a nigga with the little ass dick. Back of your head smell like burnt grease. You a bitch, your feet.
Hey, what it is? It's your boy Young Don.
George, you know what I'm saying?
We just did know what I'm saying, Lovebird Spittin.
Yeah.
By us, know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
But hey, shout out to the more vids. Hey, follow me on Twitter at Real Nation Gang 1. Yeah, I know how I do with them videos. I'm my boy Boo Monkey. He ugly. He always looking ugly, boy. Hey, shout out to everybody though. Hey, track me tomorrow at Billy Ryan High School. Billy Ryan, for sure. Hey, come out there and support. Y'all know we winning. Boy, we winning first place. So, hey, we'll see y'all after school at Billy Ryan High School.
Hey, do look at these.
Hey. Alright. Got you.
No high deal, a nigga with the little ass bitch. Back of your head smell like burnt grease. You a bitch.